Are you ready to take your life to the next level? Are you ready to prove all of your doubters and haters wrong? If so, then you have to be willing to do what it takes to metamorph into the brand new you. That means disappearing for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, or even longer if it takes that long. The mindset of greatness will allow you to stay inside while you're putting in the work to position yourself for success 6 months from now. Discipline is key. Zig Ziglar said it best. Self-discipline is doing within while you're doing without. It's all about putting in the work, even when no one is watching. And if you think it can't happen for you, think again. You can disappear for 6 months, come up with a game plan, execute it, and change your life. You just have to be willing to put in the work. It's time to sit down, get to work, and grind hard each and every day. Celebrate the small wins along the way, and let one day become 2, and 2 days become 3, and so on. And when you show yourself, the world will know you've been working. You'll be a different animal, a different beast. It's time to unleash your greatness to the world. But first, you have unfinished business. You have work to do. If you've failed before, that doesn't mean you can't win. Look at Thomas Edison. He was fired from his first 2 jobs, and his teachers called him stupid. But he went on to invent the light bulb. He failed 1,000 times, but he was never a failure. He just found 1,000 ways that didn't work. And if he can do it, so can you. Whatever has pushed you to the ground, whatever has knocked you to the floor, look it in the eye and tell it you can't keep me here. You have the power to rise above your circumstances and be the best version of yourself. It's time to put in the work, to embrace the difficult days, and to keep grinding. Hard work pays off. And if you commit to self-discipline and doing what you need to do on a daily basis, 6 months from now, greatness will arrive. The world will see the new and improved you, and you will walk with a confidence and a swagger that will make the world take notice. It's time to ghost the world, disappear for 6 months, and come back a brand new human being. Are you ready to do what it takes to be successful?